Okay, now you can see the sheets, but you can't see me. Okay, hey, I posted a PDF of this, and it's like to help you out in case you're having difficulty placing. This one goes all the way up, tens, ones, tenths, hundredths. All right, and you can see the decimal point is right here. Okay, so I like to think of it as this is the last name. Whatever is above it is the last name of the number. Okay? All right? So, yesterday I used the example of money as $9.99. All right? That's how it would look. All right? So it would be 9. You say the decimal as and 99 hundredths. See? The last number. Okay? Let's say it was 909. Okay? So I see 9. Now we cover that. What number do we see? 9. Again. But 9 what? 9 hundredths. It's right above. That's 9 hundredths. Okay? All right. Now over here, I have 14. You would say this as a mixed number, 14 and 37 hundredths. All right? Written, it would be 14 and 37. 14 and 37 hundredths. That's how it's written as a decimal number. Now here's a tricky one. What do you see? 9 and 6 100ths. All right? So I write my 9. My decimal is here. Okay? But now, I want it to look like 6. All right? But it has to be in the hundredths place. So I have to put it here. This is tenths, this is hundredths. If we go back to this sheet, I almost misspoke there. It's kind of like the one we just did. 9 and we have 6 hundredths. We can't leave this blank. We have to fill in with a 0. Okay? All right, now this PDF is up there. If it's helpful to you, you can write the number in and then say it. That might be helpful to you. Let's see. Oh, here, these things. All right, look at these. Well, guess how many squares there are? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 across. 10 by 10 grid would make 100 little squares. One big square, and that big square is broken up into hundredths. Okay? Now here's a tip. If this is all colored in, and this is all colored in, how many are colored in? You don't have to count them all. 2 rows of 10 gives us 20. Did you answer out loud? All right, try this. Now let's say just these are colored in. All right, so that would be 10, 20, 3. You don't have to count each square. You'll be there forever. You know what I'm saying? And here's a blank one. Now, if this was all colored in, that's 1. Okay? And whatever would be colored in on the next, it would be 1, and the decimal would come between them, 1 and this many hundredths. Okay? Now, let's look at our homework. Now, I watched the video that I did yesterday. That's painful, by the way, but I did. And I said, Oh my gosh, someone better give that guy a drink. He seems thirsty. I do, I have one. Hold on. So here you can see they have that grid of 100 squares, all right?
What?
And you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 full rows. And you can see there's 3 not, so that means there's 7 are colored in, shaded, okay? And that would be 77 100ths. And you would write it 0, they put the 0.77. And that would be said as 77 hundredths. Now, I'm just going to show you these because there's no way I could have drawn it. But look at that. That's a lot, man. So you got to see where it is. It's showing you the fractions on top, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and this is how it looks here. You know what? I don't like this, man, because that's really a tenth, and that's 2 tenths, that's 3 tenths, but okay, we'll go with hundredths. All right. You don't have to count them all. It's 1 behind 30. It's 1 less than 30. So what is 1 less than 30? Why, it's 29, Mr. Miller. That's a prime number. All right, now what do we have to add? This point. Okay, I gave you one. Look, how many do you have to do? 1. Oh, look at that. Oh, I think I gave you the answer to that. All right, and 2 word problems. Piece of cake. Piece of cake. Okay? All right. Good luck. I think we went over everything. Okay? Watch the video first and then do the worksheet. But if you do it much in this second, I guess you wouldn't know that. Boy, this is a long one. Hey, good luck. That's all you have to do for tonight. All right? And I'm going to place the answers up. All right. Thank you.